Hi, my name's Katch and today we're making terracotta pot people. So a terracotta pot person is simply two pots stuck together and decorate it any way you want to make it really come alive. So to make your terracotta pot person, you're going to need some terracotta pots. Today I'm using a glue gun, but of course you can just use PVA glue. Some scissors. So we've got some paint sticks here and just a few decorative pieces like rope, feathers, some goggly eyes and some other bits and pieces. So the first step to making the terracotta pot people is making the body. So simply take two pots and we'll glue them together with our hot glue. So the first step in decorating our pot person is to give it a little bit of colour. I'm going to use the chubby paint sticks and get colouring. Now we're going to give our pot person a bit of personality. That'll make a good nose. So one of the really fun bits with doing the pot person is creating the hair. So today I've chosen some macrame string because it unravels really well, but you could use anything that you find around that you think looks like hair. So lastly, I'm going to give my pot person a hat. So you take your terracotta saucer, paint it. Now I'm going to pop a bead and give him a feather in his cap. Now to introduce my new friend, Terracotta.